everyone, this is an optional activity. You're going to be on page 242 of your math page. Pause the video until you're ready and on that page. Okay? All right. The next thing I'm going to invite you to do is go ahead and write your name at the top of the page in pencil. Okay? For this activity, you're going to need a pencil. You're going to need a purple or blue crayon, a red crayon, look at the colors I'm circling, a green crayon, and an orange crayon. Okay, so grab your pencil, a blue crayon or purple, red crayon, green crayon, and an orange crayon. Okay, go ahead and pause the video until you have your supplies. Okay, now that you have your supplies, go ahead in pencil. Please write your name at the top of your page with a capital letter and lowercase letters. Go ahead and pause the video until you're finished writing your name. Okay. All right. Now that you're finished writing your name, I'm going to invite you to pick up your pencil. And I want you to X out or cross out any flat shapes. Those are shapes that are 2D, shapes with no back side, okay? So for example, let's look. This is 3D, it has 3 sides. This is 3D. This is kind of weird. What do you think about this one? Let's come back to that one. What do you think about this one? 2D or 3D? And then we have this one. I notice at the top of my page, there are some 3D shapes. There's a cube, a cone, a sphere, and a cylinder. So I wonder if that could help me if I get confused. I think it can. So let's look again. 3D, 3D. Oh, I think this one might be flat, so I could cross that out with an X. What about this one? Is this flat? It is a flat shape. It's a 2D shape. It's a square, so cross that out with an X. Okay? The next thing I want you to do is go to this next row of shapes. I want you to do the same thing again. I want you to cross out the flat shapes, the 2D shapes. If you forget, look at the top. These are 3D shapes. Go ahead. Pause the video if you need more time too, okay? And then I want you to go ahead to the next row. Okay? I want you to go to the next row. I want you to look for I want you to go ahead and look at the next row now. And same thing again, I want you to take your time, look at the shapes and think if it's a 2D shape, if it's flat, I'm going to cross it out. And if you forget, look at the top. This tells me some 3D shapes that I leave alone. I don't cross them out. Okay? What about that one? What do you think and why? This one and this one. Okay? Now, after doing that, I'm going to invite you to circle all of the cubes on this page, blue, or purple if you don't have blue. Circle all of the cone shapes on this page, red. And circle all of the spheres or balls, green. And then I'd like you to circle all of the cylinders, orange. Go ahead. When you're finished, have your grown-up take a picture of this and send it to me in Seesaw, please. Thank you. Have fun circling your shapes.